Oh, hi there. Just because we're in a lockdown doesn't mean you don't take care of yourself. So, I'm going to do a quick makeup tutorial for you, just an everyday look. First of all, we put on some foundation. I'm using number 7 light one because I haven't been laying out in the sun that much, so I haven't got any colour yet. So you squirt it onto the hands and apply to your bush. Yeah, make sure you rub it in properly because you want an even skin tone. Yep, that looks... Oh, and if you want to put it in your hair, why not? Because I think that also, it looks lovely. Right, now, for the concealer to cover up dark eye bags, because, let's face it, some of us aren't sleeping at the moment. So, well, I think I'll use my eyeliner first, actually, because I think that's always works on your eyes. There we go. Okay. And a bit under there, because I've been watching Adamant again recently, and yeah, why not? And make sure you rub it in really well. Next, I think we'll go for the mascara. Actually, fuck it, blusher, because when you're putting on a base coat, you need to bring your colour back in your cheeks a little bit. Yeah, there. And make sure you get your nose as well to slim it down a bit, especially when you've got one like mine that needs slimming down at the edges. That's it. Okay. Yeah, lovely. Maybe next should be the eyes. So if we go for some eyeshadow to make our quarantine eyes pop. No, we don't need that. No. That one, yes. And, what colour should we go for? Orangey blue. Orangey blue? Okay. That goes on your eyelids and sometimes cheeks. Eyelids. Yeah, that's it. Why? Always mix your colours up because, oh, a bit of blue on your eyebrow. Why not? That's lovely. That's from the 99p shop. Always a very, very lovely buy from in there. Next, next I have to go for a lipstick. Oh, no. Oh, no, fuck it. We're back to the concealer. Conceal your lips first before you put your lipstick on. You really did. And then it's for your lipstick. So make sure, if you want your lips to be bigger, because you can't have any next go for the mascara. That's no more foundation. Obviously that doesn't cost any money, so we can just chuck it anywhere we like. Mascara for the finishing touches. Now this is how, after the eyeshadow, is how you make your eyes really pop. There we go. And now, well, you ready to stay in?